I'd like this world too if you weren't such a party pooper.
Enough talk. Let's go.
Ah, relax, will ya? We have all afternoon to duke it out, buddy boy.
I'm not your